This is Ramu, Dean Skill Development, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In the series of FANG coding interview questions, today we are going to see the new problem. The problem name is threesome. Threesome is a problem. Already we had a discussion on the twosome problem, right? In twosome problem, you need to identify the two numbers to match as the target value. Here, you need to identify the three numbers to match us with the target. So before going to the detailed description of the problem, let us see the companies ask the same question in their interview process. Here, I mentioned the top companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Adobe ask the same question in their interview process and as well as their code shortlisted criteria, right? And coming to the problem description, this is the problem description. Here, I given an integer array. It's a num, right? And you need to return all the triplets, right? You need to find a single answer. You need to find all the triplets which possible to match with the target. Here, target is a constant, that is the 0. Means you need to identify all the triplets which the sum of all the triplet value goes to 0. Let us see one small example here. This is one example. Here, for example, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? What are the combinations you are going to get here? First, observe clearly, the first combination you will get 0, 1, 2 is the first combination, and 0, 1, 3 is the second combination, 0, 1, 4 is a one more combination, 0, 1, 5. Next, 0, 2, 3 is a one combination, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 5. Right? Next, 0, 3, 4 and 0, 3, 5. And next, 0, 4, 5. Next, again it starts with 1, 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, right? Like that. Means you need to check all these combinations and which the value goes to 0. Then you need to find out all the triplets. And one more condition is these triplets are not repeated. Means no duplicates. Without duplicates, you need to find out the triplets. What is the meaning of duplicate? Means, for example, here, if you find that -1, 0 and 1 is a one combination, right? This is a one triplet, right? For example, observe clearly, if you write a 0, 1, -1 is also one triplet. If you observe these two, these two are the same. Because here -1 is there, here -1 is there, 0 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there. But how to find such kind of triplets? That is a challenge here, right? So like that, you need to find how many unique triplets are possible in a given series of numbers. That is our task. You know that in the twosome problem, the time complexity for the brute force method is big O of n square. Why it is a big O of n square? The reason is you should use a one loop for first number and one loop for second number. Here also for the brute force method, see, for the first number you require a one loop, second loop, third loop. And what the time complexity goes to? Yes, exactly. It goes to time complexity of n cubed. Got it? It goes to time complexity of n cubed. Right? Let us see how to solve this problem in the brute force, and after that I'm going to solve this problem in the big O of n square. Right? First, we'll see the problem in big O of n cubed, means the brute force method. You know that finding the triplets without finding the triplets without repetition, that is our first challenge. To find out that one, I'm going to remove all this stuff. I don't want this stuff. And what is my requirement here? I need to send the array of triplets. Yes or no? For sending the array of triplets, and first I'm going to find the length of my given array. So what is a length? How many elements are they passed, right? So L equal to length of array. Then I have a length. Next, for example, here already you have seen what is a target here. A target is how to find duplicates. For example, -1, 0, 1 and 1, -1, 0 and -. So how to compare these two? It is not possible practically. So that you need to sort these one, then you'll get a -1, 0, 1. If you sort this one, -1, 0, 1. So if you want to solve such kind of problem, you should sort your data. The data is sorted, then you will get a duplicate triplets is converted to the single triplet. I mean, by removing the triplets, duplicate triplets, you just sort the data, right? For that reason, I just sort my data. So the data is there at the AR dot sort of. Now the data is sorted. What is my next task? My next task is I need to write a loop for the first number. So for I in range of L. So this is the first number. Next loop for second number, right? Yes or no? Yeah, second number, you should leave the first number and start with the second number. So that I need to consider this index starting from I plus 1, comma, I plus 1, comma, L. Got it? And third number is also same, K in range of same, J plus 1, right? J plus 1, comma, L. Because the repetition is not allowed here. And what is my target? The target is 0, right? I need to find out the target array of I plus array of j plus array of k is equal to 0. Then that is my number. That is my triplet. When I get a such kind of triplet, I'm going to use to store somewhere. But that data structure doesn't allow the duplicates. So exactly here the data structure matches the dictionary, because in dictionary the dictionary doesn't allow keys as a duplicates, right? So that I just take D as my data structure to store the triplets without repetition, right? See, D of, and I'm going to store all my values. What is that? Array of I, comma, array of j, comma, array of k, right, is equal to, the default value is as you wish. There is no restriction, right? Here I want only key values. Then what is my result? My result there are the dictionary keys. I need to send all the keys of dictionary. Then that is my answer, right? So return d dot keys. Then I'll get all keys, right? And list of keys, right? See, let us see. Yeah, got it. And if you submit the code, let's keep on repeating. Yes. Here I got that time limit exceed. The reason is, what is the time complexity of this problem? This problem time complexity is, see, this problem time complexity is, here the time complexity is n, and here the time complexity is n, here and the time complexity is n, then the time complexity is n cubed. Right? So generally in the product based companies and top companies doesn't allow such kind of time complexities. Now you need to reduce this time complexity, right? Then how to reduce this one? Already you have seen two pointer method, right? By using two pointer method, we are going to solve this problem. If you solve this problem using two pointer method, then you will get the time complexity of big O of n square. Then how to solve that problem? I'll show you how to solve that problem. So yes. So this is the time complexity. For example, if you consider the elements, right, -1, 0, 1, 2, right, I need to find your target values, right? What I'm going to do here, see, I'm going to sort the data first. After that, what I'm going to do here, observe clearly, I'll consider the first number and this number and this number. I'm going to increase and decrease and try to match the using left pointer and right pointer, right? -1, 0 and 2, right? The values goes to increase or decreased? It's increased, right? Yes or no? So the value is here -1, 2. The value is 1. But the target is 0, right? The value is high. So when the value is high, simply you need to reduce your pointer. So if you reduce the, if you reduce the point means you can reduce this one. It comes to here R. Then -1, 0, 1. The result is 0, right? When it is a 0, try to store the data, right? Let us see how to solve this problem. Same length and array of sort, all the things are same. Even dictionary also required. And this is the first for loop to repeat all the keys. Then here I required two pointers, left pointer as well as a right pointer. Here I equal to Z, left pointer, left equal to I plus 1, left equal to I plus 1, right equal to L minus 1, right? So I set the two pointers. Now I need to repeat my loop until my left pointer reaches the right pointer. Yes or no? This is the concept of two pointer. Now I'm going to check if array of I, right, plus array of left plus, here a mistake is left, array of right equal to 0, then that is my target, right? Then what I did here, what I need to do here, see, I simply use D of elements, right? That elements I need to pass here. See, array of I, comma, array of left, right, comma, array of right, equal to, this is a default value as you wish. Okay. What happen if the value is not a 0? And same condition, elif, right, elif of, if the current value is greater than the 0, that means greater than the 0, that means you require a small value. Yes or no? Require a small value. Small value is there at which side? Left side. Left side means you reduce your right pointer. Yes or no? So right pointer, right minus equal to 1. Otherwise, you should increase your left pointer because left side have a large values. Yes or no? If you sort the data, what happen? All left elements are smaller elements or right side elements are greater element. Suppose if you get a value is higher, simply you should move your right pointer. If you move your right pointer, then what happen? The value is going to decrease. Got it? That's all. And the remaining part is as it is. You just run the code and we will see is there any errors. Yeah, still time limit exceed. What is the time complexity here? While left. Yes. For I in range of L, left equal to I plus 1, right equal to length minus 1. So next what I did here? Yeah. If it is matches, what happen? I should change my both left as well as right pointers. Yes or no? I don't consider that one again, right? Oh, it's not like that. Yeah. Now you can run it. Got it? Yes, the problem is accepted. Because I used here else if ladder. That is the reason I got an error. See what happened? If it is matched, then I simply leave and I check the condition. If it is a greater and lesser, it is going to change the positions of the values. Change the position of values. That's all. Got it? So this is the way you're going to solve the three-sum problem. If you see the time complexity of this problem, is here the time complexity is n, and here the time complexity is also n. The time complexity of this problem is n square. And for the just simplification, see, when the value matches, the value means the target is matches, then simply stored into the dictionary. See here, when you have a more value, or large value, you simply reduce your right pointer. Right pointer reduction. The reason is the data is at the right side is greater. That is why simply move your right pointer. Then simply what happens? The data is going to reduce. Right? And if it is else, means left pointer need to increase. That's all. Got it? Yeah. So the idea is sorting on 2 pointers. Sorting as well as 2 pointer concept. Yes, time complexity is big O of n square. And space complexity is n. The reason is here you use a dictionary, right? The dictionary purpose, by default, the space complexity goes to n. But don't need to worry, the space complexity is not big problem for us. Only we need to concentrate on time complexity, right? And try to use this link and practice the problem in your Leetcode, right? The product-based companies, when you practice more, then you will get a more confidence as well as that you are able to identify the errors at the time of exam, right? Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.